Hey, what's up today, guys? Me and my brother here are gonna start cleaning our barn. All we really got in here right now is my chickens, and our cats are over there. Well, they're not in here right now, but I'll set up a time lapse, and yeah, we'll get to cleaning the barn here. Hey guys, just here in the 7700 here. Forgot to make a bit of a update video today after we finished cleaning the barn. Did a little bit of work. Got the got the backlight going in the dash, and show you what's behind me here. When I step out, it's gonna be a little bit windy, so I don't know how loud it's gonna be. Right here, we just bought ourselves, it's kind of hard to see, but here, hold on, I'll grab a better flashlight here. Got, new drill. 45-foot Flexico 5000 with a 2320 tank. It's a dual shoot. Fairly good shape. Needs some work on the hoses. Otherwise, good shape. Bought it from our local booty dealer, which is New Holland Road. Booties is the company that sells everything. Finish, just gotta close the doors up and whatnot. Don't need the chickens getting cold. Hey Max, looks pretty scary there. Okay. So my chickens doing here. Lots of water, new bedding, and you can see a lot of this came out of the chicken coop. Thing they got there. Moved out of the way. Okay, there we go. Bit of a pain trying to get this latch on here. Gotta go other way, I think. It's all worn out. Good. Okay, anyway, that's done now. That's gonna be about it for today. Probably gonna have another video up again tomorrow. I just gotta do a few things around the yard. Got to this new drill we got here. The auger's pretty beat up, so gonna go measure the auger on our old tank. We got an old thing. It's a Flexicoil 1600. So it's a bit older, but I think the auger should be about the same. And I gotta measure because we need a new pipe for our sprayer. What the sprayer nozzles are hooked up to, and just got some tying up to do around the shop. Not sure if I'm gonna record any of that. Maybe I'll set up time lapse. Not really sure. As I said, I'm just kind of getting into this, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one.